my PowerPoint slides is here. We talk about Linfinity. We are a Singapore company. This is me. I have 15 years of experience in Asia. I held different roles in the private sector and also in a public listed company. The latest one was in this gold mining in Australia. I also held key appointment roles in non-profit organizations like international think tanks and also governmental roles with Business Federation. So I'm a very true believer in startups, and I definitely like Alex's beautiful idea on yellow. And let me proceed on. I only have 10 minutes. So this is Linfinity and Gyungbuk. We are creating a blockchain standard authentication label that we are manufacturing it in China, and the idea was given birth in Singapore. So with the help of the AI Center with Professor Park, we hope to create a value system within Gyungbuk, utilizing the tokenization model, or perhaps maybe a Gyungbuk coin or something, so that we could all benefit from the current hype and the current development of tokens. So for Linfinity, we are a blockchain company. We provide blockchain as a service. We integrate traditional businesses, present technology into our system, like IoT, like AI. So this is a very quick introduction of what we do.
According to the new report by the OECD and the EU's Intellectual Property Office, the global trade in fake goods is worth nearly $500 billion a year and growing. Companies are constantly facing the threat of counterfeiting, as it is not only affecting their revenue, but also reputational damages to their brand. Companies do not recover their research and development investments due to these losses, thus influencing their potential to create impactful products in the future. Counterfeiting produces knockoffs that endanger lives, pharmaceuticals that make people sick, toys that harm children, and medical instruments that deliver false readings. These put consumers at risk, and certain products can cause serious health risks or even be fatal. What will Linfinity do? First of all, we must understand that procurement, manufacturing, and logistics are the three core elements in supply chain management. Data as a bridge between the three cores. So the credibility, transparency, and security of data are the most important factors in improving the efficiency and reducing costs in supply chain. Linfinity blockchain technology creates a transparent, non-tampered, traceable, and anti-counterfeiting system. We solve total supply chain issues right from the start, from production to end consumer. The process is recorded, accounted, trusted, and transparent. Source tracking is only just the start. Our ultimate goal is to build a new sustainable supply chain ecosystem. That is what Linfinity is doing. Linfinity, links to unlimited possibilities.
So this is a very quick. Hi. So this is a typical chart that we present to some of our traditional business partners. So we start off by tracing the raw material. Then we end off by tracing the recycle bin as well, because we are talking to famous wine manufacturers. We are talking to some other companies that are doing traditional businesses. They told us something like Maotai in China. They say that, well, actually the way to stop having all this fake Maotai wine in the market is to try and see how we could tackle the recycle problem, because the biggest thing that they find problems replicating is actually the bottom, not the wine that's inside. So that's why we think that recycling is a very crucial part of our blockchain process. So this is the D app that we have launched, or that we have launched in the market. It's used by a healthcare company in Singapore. So this is a journey that we have walked through with them. Their farm is in China, Jilin. So we look at the farm inspection, how they harvest, how they import, and all the way to the retailer end of how this customer buy their goods, how the customers know about the goods and so forth. This whole process is very important because at the end we are going to incentivize customers with tokens. So that is where Momentum, my partner, can come into the picture, and then we could incentivize customers to do the scanning, to understand the whole product life cycle. So it's a very simple process. Information uploaded to the chain, you just retrieve it off the chain, and then they could authenticate the whole process. Very good. Okay, so we have a very simple process, a very unique key that's being uploaded when you sign up. It's created when you sign up. Then you just authenticate whether it's real or not. If it's not real, there will be no records. So this will alert the user saying that, hey, this product may be fake. So this is the Linfinity monk that you saw earlier on. There's a solution with a 1 QR code solution, 2 QR code solution, or there's an invisible QR code solution as well. So that is a way that our users authenticate themselves. This is actually almost the same as what we see in the current market, but with the blockchain technology. So this is a brand that is presently working with us in Singapore. It's a healthcare company. They have one patented Lingzi, which is a ganoderma. So the founder takes a lot of pride in her product, and the production of the Lingzi is actually not a lot. So she priced it a lot higher. And when they price it a lot higher, people ask her a lot of different questions. Where is the Lingzi from? Where is the product from? So what we did is we uploaded the whole process, then the whole ecosystem onto the chain to let them understand more about the things that they are consuming. So that's the QR code behind. So with Gyungbuk, there are fruits. It's famous electronics. There's beverages. There's fishery. What we hope to do is that all the products that are being exported out from Gyungbuk within the supply chain system, we could apply our blockchain technology onto the system, onto your system. So all the products that are going out from Gyungbuk is authenticated. You can tell people that this is from Gyungbuk. It's not from anywhere else. So all this whole process are all recorded on a chain, and nothing can be changed from there. So this is our small vision, and hopefully we could work out something in time to come. These are our business partners in Asia, mainly traditional businesses. So what we felt that today we want to bring out is blockchain is really not enough. We can't just depend on blockchain. What we think is we need to fuse blockchain with other existing technology like IoT, with artificial intelligence. That creates a new value. That also creates new partnerships with traditional businesses. So we hope to have more collaboration with Professor Park at the AI Center, because we felt that if we can have a better foothold in Korea, in Gyungbuk especially, we could learn more together using the AI technology that Professor Park has in place, and there's no need for us to reinvent the wheel. We could use what they have, fuse it with our current system, and we bring new partners in to fill up the gaps. So that would create a faster pace for Gyungbuk to get a better footing in the whole business or in the whole makers environment. So that could be a coin, it could be a Linfinity more, it could be a momentum more, more then we could fuse this whole thing together and create a coin together. I'm not sure, but that is just a vision. It's a small vision that we have, and if every one of us who have presented today contribute what we need to contribute, we could make this a good success and make a very good impact and difference. Thank you.